Meaning of frostbite.
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 Frostbite. Frostbite is a condition that occurs when skin and underlying tissues freeze due to exposure to cold temperatures. The damage caused by frostbite can range from mild to severe, depending on the extent and duration of exposure. Symptoms of frostbite include numbness, tingling, and pain in the affected area. As the condition progresses, the skin may become discolored and blistered, and tissue death may occur. In severe cases, amputation may be necessary. Prevention includes dressing appropriately for cold weather and avoiding prolonged exposure to extreme cold. Prompt treatment is essential to prevent further damage and improve outcomes.